This newsreel is being brought to you by
We have a lot of fun, my mouth and me.
I like to go. I like to go.
Big City Dining in Springfield. Depot Bar and Grill.
a young lady in Springfield is lucky to be alive after her vehicle left the roadway, overturned, and as you can see, burst into flames. According to Fire Chief Chad Gregory, with North Robertson Fire and Rescue, the car had a full tank of gas, which did complicate matters for fire crews. The accident occurred around 7:30 p.m. Saturday evening on Benson Road in Springfield. The young lady was able to exit the vehicle shortly after the accident and was uninjured. She wasn't even transported to a hospital. According to Chief Gregory, the full tank of gas made it problematic for crews to get the fire under control. In fact, they ran out of water and called on the Robertson County Rescue Squad, who brought an additional tanker, and then they were able to put the fire out. As far as why the young lady lost control of her vehicle and left the roadway, we don't know. We're still waiting for a report from the Tennessee Highway Patrol. The tires on the vehicle exploded in the immense heat of the fire, and the fire has left nothing of the vehicle. It will be a total loss. As soon as we have an update for you as to why the young lady lost control of the vehicle, we'll certainly bring that to you. As I indicated, we are still waiting for a report from the Tennessee Highway Patrol, who is currently investigating the accident. The important thing is that the young lady was able to walk away from the accident without injury. This has been Jim Paul reporting for Smoky Barn News in Springfield.
It may be the most important picture you'll ever have taken. A high-tech image with remarkable clarity that can help diagnose your medical condition and potentially save your life. Advanced medical imaging, all the services you need with convenience and compassion. Northcrest Medical Center, bringing exceptional care to our community.